is CD4 Shield, developed by the innovator startup Dr. Vijay Lanka and his team from Stabicon. The product is chewable tablet containing curcumin and vitamin B12. Both the ingredients fight inflammation and infection. The product ensures activation of innate immunity by activating CD4+, CD8+, and IFN1 to virus specific effect and has immunotherapy properties. It also reduces cytokine storm in response to viral infection. The product is approved by FSSAI. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ CD4 ಶೀಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮೆನ್, ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಮೊರಬಲ್ ಡೇ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಯೋ ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್.
This product has been developed on basically on the solubility, because the major challenges with the herbs is the solubility, whereas we are able to break to ensure that the product is reaching the bloodstream and bypassing the first phase metabolism. So this will enhance your recovery very faster rate and a very effective product in terms of fighting any infection and enhancing a whole component of the turmeric back into the system along with the vitamin B12, which is usually a loss of the red blood cells. So it acts as a precursor during the process and helps you in a faster recovery. So I'm sure this product is going to help a lot of people who have a lot of issues in terms of infection and viral fevers. So against that, it is a very wonderful product and which has been validated and tested against a lot of parameters clinically also. Thank you.
Third one, CD4 Shield. It's an immunomodulator. Modulation of the immunity is the most important scientifically. People claim a lot of things. How basically immunity works, many of them will not be knowing. By ignorance, many people claim many things. But here, immunomodulation is very, very important. Either increase or decrease, depending on the situation, how it has to be. The body has to respond, is most important. The CD4 Shield has got a very antiviral property, and it has gone through the due process and the approvals have been given. I think it's all an excellent product. Instead of many people, even before getting infected, they would like to have some kind of, protection. So this kind of scientifically approved products will be a solution. People can look up to. There are many solutions which have not been scientifically approved. There are many false claims. These kind of products will be a solution.